I'm gonna backflip that way, that way, that way, and I'll try to spin as much as I can. I'll go up here. What I'm doing? Tell me when you're ready.
Red!
Okay.
This is gonna be a short video.
Is that a video camera? And a... Gonna kill you.
Hey, this is a phone. This is a phone. Watch it.
You can't be out here. What? I'm gonna come down there and throw your head in the snowbank.
Matthew, do you want a face wash?
Okay.
I'm the biggest face wash of your life, little boy.
Woohoo! Oh!
Grab Matthew, throw him in the
I was trying to climb the slide.